Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm working on a ThinkPad T14. This is going to be the Gen 4 AMD model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. So first thing guys, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access your bottom case screws. Now you have 7 screws by the red arrows. After you remove those screws, we're going to take a small, flat, plastic pry tool, and we're going to go across the seam of the bottom case and pry it up from the rest of your computer. It's generally best to start near the back 2 hinges, and in this case, it was easiest to start right on top of that hinge with a small, narrow plastic pry tool. Make sure you don't put the pry tool too far in, keep it on the edge, go nice and slow but careful but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. After you remove the bottom case, this is what you're looking at for the rest of the computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any upgrade or replacement parts for this specific model, the T14, there will be a link above. Also below in the description, it'll have all of those tools and supplies and all of these replacement parts for this model computer. So here's your battery right down here. This computer comes with 2 options for batteries. Some of you will have a 39.3 watt hour battery. The rest of you will have a 52.5 watt hour battery. If you do have the smaller one, you are able to upgrade to the larger one. The battery is a 15.44 volt, and the model number that you would search for when looking for a replacement is L21L4P71. I will have all that information below in the description to help you if you're searching for your own replacement, but I will have a couple different replacement options below in the description in that link I told you about with all of the replacement parts. The battery is held down by these 6 screws and plugs into the motherboard right there. And the plug itself is not wired, it's actually part of the battery. So after removing all the screws, you just lift the battery up and that unplugs it from the motherboard. And I guess the last thing to mention about this kind of an operation, if you're here because your laptop is not turning on, your battery may be bad and you may need to replace it. But keep in mind that most laptop computers should still turn on and function with a bad battery as long as the charger is plugged in. So if your computer is not turning on, there may be something else wrong with it other than just a bad battery. If you would like help troubleshooting why your laptop's not turning on, I will have a video link above, also below in the description. That will take you through the troubleshooting process that I use in my shop to find out why a laptop's not turning on and how to fix it. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your T14 and access your battery. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.